Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. Last night I prepared pineapple chicken and brown rice. Oh, wonderful meal. Absolutely wonderful. Easy, flavorful, and just plain yummy. I did add a few things. I had half a red bell pepper that I chopped. I added some fresh basil. Everything's in the notes. If you download the recipe, you'll get all the notes. The brown rice bake method works every time. Tonight, I'm doing a very simple meal. I think prep will take longer, maybe. What am I making? Oh, yeah. Louisiana BBQ Shrimp and smoked paprika roasted potatoes. Let's get to it. All I need tonight is a brazier and a sheet pan. It's that simple. For the shrimp dish, kosher salt, black pepper, this is about 8 or more ounces of white shrimp, 21-25. So that's 21 to 25 shrimp per pound. A little bit of olive oil, some butter, Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, Tabasco, cayenne seasoning blend. This is my blend. Some cayenne and smoked paprika. There's some lemon involved, both lemon juice and lemon zest. And of course, garlic. A little bit left, but don't worry, I have more garlic. So for the potatoes, it's real simple. Garlic, baby red potatoes, more olive oil, sea salt, sweet Mexican basil, Desi Mirch, and smoked paprika. So while these are in the oven, those get into the brazier. That simple. What did you have for dinner last night? All right. Big shout out, by the way, to Goldfish Seafood Market for the shrimp. I like just giving them a shout out. They're new here in town. So, yeah. So on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.